election shiteng samoi Gambegre kalanang song shit shushu hadin maka BJP kalapen mana ya ka kerteng jong MDC katura Bernard and Marak kumukurtong ban aireng hakate election kabanlong hakakalai terik unai wing mentau snam yakani la pentikna do unong yalam ka BJP badairu umentri sarkar ka jela ba AL Hank habakren bat kilat pathai kubor hakajan mit singi baar.
The party high command through the Meghalaya Prabhari in charge of BJP has informed me and informed the state president Mr. Rikmanji Momin that the BJP is going to fill up and contest for this Gambegre by-elections. Election is elections. Any candidate who is contesting the election, they have confidence to win. That is election. I'm not talking only BJP. Every candidate who is contesting, with that intention only, they are going to win the election. Otherwise, nobody just wastes your time, wastes your energy, wastes of your resources without, winning the seats. So everybody are ready. They are ready to also all are the same perspective only for the winning the seats.
But sir,
It's an easy task for anybody, not only for BJP. You talk to any political party or any candidate, it's not easy task. Everybody has to face the election, yes. See, we have received only one application, but they were feeling that others also will be filing the view. But now they have already zeroed down to Bernard and Marak only to contest for this Gambegre by-election.
so also
Campaigner, we have so many national leaders. So we have the state leader also. So the state leader also will go, not only the elected representative, those are not elected representative also are the star campaigner. They all will go and will camping their campaign and to make our candidate win the election.